and welcome. Let's have a look at TriAxis Modeler and see how you can create complex shapes with ease without all of the extensive manual work. I personally find this approach very important. When I first started modeling, it provided me quite the advantage in creating complex shapes that I've always appreciated. Let's begin with the setup and configuration panel. Here you find two essential parameters: plane size, which controls the dimensions of your projection planes, and extrusion depth, which determines the projection volume. Moving to our model generation panel, we offer two workflows: high poly generation, which creates detailed meshes using Boolean operations and voxel remeshing for precision, and low poly generation, which preserves the original topology from your projection planes, ideal for hard surface manual workflows. The mesh optimization features include automated edge clearing to eliminate any unwanted artifact that may happen, so it streamlines the transition further, saves cleanup time, a better overall modeling experience. Regarding hard surface modeling, Netron is also releasing high poly, which has features that are worth having a look for streamlining high poly work. And we're very eager to hear everyone's extensive feedback. Your insights help us prioritize features that matter the most and to perhaps add more features that the community might be interested to see in the add-on. And thank you. Looking very forward to seeing the incredible creations people can build with it. Happy modeling. Thank you very much.